Okay, folks, the barn crew showed up yesterday and got quite a bit of work done. So let's take a quick tour and I'll show you what they did. All right, so they came through, knocked out the corners of the barn here, took the siding off the corners, and ran their cribs up and the steel beams through. Here's a view from the inside. So this is the bad corner here. This was all rotted out. So that's going to take a lot of work. But they, you can see on this post here in the corner, they put in the steel plates. Those, I believe, are 1/4 inch thick steel plates. They put that on most of the posts. I don't know if they got it here. Yeah, there's one on top there, top of that beam. And looks like another one up in that corner. So they're about ready to lift it. Everything's in place. But what they have to do still is run the cables down. Let's see if I can show it here. Concrete pad in here with those eye bolts. So they're going to run cables from the posts and the beams up high here from all the sides. You're gonna run the posts down into there and then crank them up so they can straighten the barn out, get the lean out of it. We'll straighten it out and square it all up, and then we'll jack it up. So they got quite a bit done yesterday. They had the thrill of finding a yellow jacket's nest in the ground over here on the outside, which I had been there the day before. They were here. Today's Tuesday morning. They were here yesterday, so Sunday I was here. I cleaned out a bunch of stuff that was piled up along the side of the barn here. And I was in right here at the corner picking stuff up, and then I came through and mowed it, and they found a nest. They got attacked right in this corner somewhere. So I'm surprised I didn't find them, which is a good thing because I am highly allergic to the yellow jacket stings. So no disappointment there that I didn't find it. So just a quick video where the status is, what's going on, and we'll show you more as the work progresses. Thanks for watching. All right, so here's more of the steel plates that they're putting in, similar to the ones I put up, I showed you before up in here. This is the rest of them there. You got some 90-degree brackets there, and then these straight ones. And these are all 1/4 inch thick. Pretty thick. So those will help hold the barn together. Wow.